Let's finally get her on out of here. Come on, y'all. Let's get out. Almost perfect. Just need to move forward. I've been doing this for like an hour. I'm not gonna even lie, y'all. It's been like an hour, y'all. Finally got it to where I want it to be. This morning I came here with my mother. Took me 2 hours to get it in the right spot. It's not perfect, but it'll do, y'all. It'll do. Kind of got a lock around the wheels. Got the signage right there for now. And got my ordering thing right here, y'all. So I'm here with another trailer. I'm ready to get to business. I'm ready to get to work, y'all. Of course, we have another problem before we freaking open. That is not supposed to happen. We got them eggs, y'all. We got that good bread, that great bread, y'all. The last of the stuff. Plumber Jack on the job. It's great to have friends that know what they're doing, because I don't know.
Just know not to be dangerous.
Yeah.
And cheaper than the professionals.
Exactly. He knows what he's doing.
I did my own kitchen, so I think I know some basics.
You know a little thing or two about a thing or two.
Okay, so. Right.
Changed the whole game. It changed the whole thing, man.
Oh.
The moment of truth, y'all. Does it leak or does it not leak? It does not leak.
Let's keep it going.
Should we? Oh yeah, test it.
Is there a heater?
It's just the. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes. Oh.
Oh, we didn't tighten that.
Oh. Jeez. Have some dish soap, sanitizer, and we're gonna clean this thing out. And then we're gonna clean surfaces and organize some things. Testing out my water system. Let's see. I'd have to put it up there for gravity. Good thing we had to take this out because they did not clean inside this tank and there was a bunch of bits in there. These folks who made this, man, that's crazy. Clean dishes, clean dishes. Clean that out and I clean them dishes. Got my water ready to clean them dishes cause I need clean dishes and hands. First shopping run besides the truck. We got stuff going on. We got stuff. Whoa. Got the hood on because I'm about to start cooking on this joint. First ever item being ever cooked in my new trailer. Let's see if I can get the settings right, y'all. It took a second, but there we go. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's looking good. Wow. Finally got the oven to turn on. That took a minute, y'all. Woo, I gotta get on my knees to do that. I might have messed up, or I don't know. I'll figure it out. Hacking on up on the first day of, or first day of in the kitchen cooking. It's like 11 p.m. I need some rest. Another $140 spent just like that, man. Too quick with business, man. It just all adds up. Something I do know how to do is lift this bad boy up and stabilize it. I guess I'm a little handy. I don't need my friend or anyone else to do this for me. The instruction says clean, then season these grates. So let's do it. All right, it's a first time dunk. First time dunk. So I'm back in town. We were gonna do our soft opening a couple weeks ago. Things happened. Now I'm getting ready to open now, y'all. While I was gone, it was like -degree weather, so this froze and then thawed and expanded and burst. That froze and then it thawed. So this was originally over here, so that kind of burst over there where I had to clean up. I cleaned up a little bit. This kind of congealed, froze solid. The water froze solid, but luckily this thing works. This is kind of leaking a little bit. I just need to tighten it. But now, for real, it's time to cook and get really prepared to open tomorrow. I'm ready for the good battle. I'm ready, y'all. It all works. Early morning grind for the first time. First batch of bacon. Got another batch in here as well. All right, y'all. It is about to be our first time opening up the window for service. Still need to organize a little bit, but here we are, y'all. We got one order out already. Cleared this up a little bit, divvied up my bacon. Still need to work on this tablet real quick though. Got a little bit of street traffic this morning. People do pass by here all the time. People will come, will stop. This is a long-term spot. Then hopefully they read the instructions and order online. Order online. And they are ready. Come pick it up. My least favorite part is trying to keep the quality up, keep the temperature up while we wait for our guests to pick it up. This has a lot of juice in it, so the more it gets hot, the more juicy it gets. And it might like run on them when they open it, so I wish they would come a couple minutes late, but they didn't say. Actually, here they come. Man.
Of course. And then as soon as that sandwich gets back on the menu, I'm gonna give you some of those too.
All right, good to see you again.
Sir.
All right. So y'all, you wanna know why I do this? Food is a passion. I think about food. I love it, eating food. Just the concept of getting food together, I enjoy so much, and I wanna share that passion with others. Because there's food out here, but I feel like it can be done better if you take a little extra steps. And I just had a customer come back who was like, man, I've been waiting for y'all to come back. I've been thinking about it. This is the best breakfast sandwich in the city. And when I saw you were coming back, I had to share with people. I had to come by, man. So he just praised the business so much. And, you know, You know, I do it for them to enjoy the food. I don't need the praise, but I want them to enjoy the food, and he did, he does. He said he'll even come back tomorrow. So hope to reach more people just like this man. And I'm in the business for the long haul. I'm trying to bring my food to y'all. Got my new cards. I'm gonna need to pass these joints out to Columbus. We have our first DoorDash. No, this is Uber Eats. First Uber Eats order. And they're picking it up. They probably should have did it on the website because this is more expensive than my website. Never mind, it's delivery. My bad. The second omelet of the day and the prettiest omelet of the day for someone special. A little snack for me. Rosemary honey butter smashed toast. Another one. A little egg, lightly cracked, lightly cooked. Inside, kind of, supposed to be. Oh well, we'll eat it. Fluffy. It's a smear. It's a smear of cheese. All right, it's 2 p.m. I'm going to close this bad boy up for the first time. I thought it was a pretty good day. So I went home for a little bit, I stretched, I ate a little snack, then I went to the store, picked up some stuff, and I'm just about to finish up at the truck. All I need to do is clean that, wipe this table off, clean a little bit over here, sanitize this, and then finish this and I'll be all good. But first, I have to fill up this water tank because it's so hard to fill it up. Let's start these dishes. I'm using this for my soap because I don't want to use too much water because it's a lot of sweat equity. So this is more concentrated. Rinsing here and a little bit too concentrated of sanitizer. See you tomorrow, trailer. I'm going. I'm gonna get me some good rest. Yes, I am. I'll take some gray water with me. You got to, because this is gonna add up. This thing full is way too heavy, so I gotta do it every night. Let's start day 2 of the soft opening. Gotta wash our hands. Another day, another water fill. All right, time to open. I can do it from in here if I can get this to go. We have a bus stop right across the street, so maybe we'll get business from them one day. They're looking right at us.
Clutch handheld. Busy at work. From Nick Dynasty.
That's me. You know.
What are you cooking now?
French omelet.
What's the ingredients?
Eggs, salt, butter, eggs, salt.
Okay.
Whoa. That's what we want. I've been busy today. I've only had like one break. This is the second break actually. I probably made about 10 sandwiches in the last hour 20. Non-stop. I had a walk-up customer to to take care of. We're doing it. Made some chorizo, made some like 4 omelets, made some a cheesesteak. Hey, dun dun dun. Someone just ordered our secret item. Make it more fun, y'all. We need this. I don't use this much, but we need it today. Alright, so this is the chorizo muffin and our special secret menu item, the chopped chorizo. The chopped chorizo is very messy. It's still a work in progress, but we think the flavor is going to be all there. We appreciate you coming to serve. We got a survey card in there, so let us know what you think, alright? Alright, thank you. You too. And this is a snack for me. I gotta take these breaks when I can, y'all. Gotta take them when I can, cause it's hard. Oh, it's hard. The lighting is bad. Time to finish up with some dishes. Now that's a wrap. Today was busy, and I'm happy with everything in my book. It was a good show, good soft opening. This is just the beginning of chapter 2.